What's up, guys? It's Pofel, and we are going to take a look on some bias. Maybe you saw my video about standard deviation, but probably not because nobody's watching. But that's okay. Uh, let's talk about some bias and what actually happened. In my last video about standard deviation, which is this tool, where you see some Fibonacci retracement with some key levels and something like this. If you're interested, go watch it and come back. And what happened and what is going to happen in the next week? Probably, most likely. So uh, let's just mark the past week candle and which has been swept. I was talking about it in that video, and let's mark the exhausted move, right? So this is the exhausted move. I will just mark it like that. Okay, that's cool and clean. And also to tell you, I am just a fucking happy that the next week, starting Monday to Tuesday, even in the Wednesday, because FOMC is happening at 8 p.m. and okay, Thursday you should not be like have open trade before these news. FOMC member Waller speaks. It's probably okay because it's past your bedtime. You should be sleeping or something like this. And also GDP is at 8 a.m. So you will probably not be fucking trading anyway because London session is not yet open. So that's about it. And the next week it's going to be like crazy hella clean. So you will not have some obligation to some really interesting news or something like this. And even if GDP is interesting, like it will happen in the morning. So you will be taking your dog to the outside or something like this so he can go and like pee. Okay, so we have market like this exhausted move, right? So let's call it like okay, uh like high from past swap has been swept like this, right? And which candle like swept the high? It was these candles right there, right? These candles right there was the sweeping one. And what happened right now, or in this inner inner structure, we swept inner, fucking inner. Can I? I can't. Okay, I can't fucking type. I can see it. So this is the inner liquidation which has been swept. So this is my exhausted move. That's why I am marking it with standard deviation, and I will even mark this one because the price was there. And let me just adjust it. Okay, so we have uh, this exhausted move to the upside, some sell-off. It's pretty normal, nothing much happened, but we made a lower low right here, and we even did a break of structure right here. So this is my fucking boss, BOS, right? So this is my boss because I am fucking boss. So let's mark it right there. So where should I fucking fill my orders, right? You have some fair value gap right there, and we will mark it right like that. But uh, let's like mark it with this wick right there, and all the way up right here, and let's mark it like a fucking barrier right there because I would like to see some fucking manipulation right there and broke it to the downside. So I will be waiting for this manipulation. And also, if I am going to 15 minutes on the current structure, it's most likely some fucking accumulation, right? So This is my fucking accumulation right now. Right now, this is my fucking accumulation, right? So back to the 4 hour time frame. So this is my accumulation, and since we will, if we will broke it to the upside after this manipulation, take some orders right here. Even fucking swap this fucking high. So I will mark it too, right, like that, because I want to swipe this high before I will get my fucking entry to the downside. If this move will happen, I want it really bad. So I am marking on the 15-minute this high, which is prominent for me, and I want it to be swept before we will be going to the downside. So afterwards, I would like to absolutely see the distribution right here, even under this fucking candle, because I want to swap this low. So this will be my distribution right here, right? So this is like my bias for the next week, which I will be looking on it and see what will fucking happen. Eventually, we have this accumulation, which these things this manipulation can happen to the downside, right? Why not? It could. Then my distribution can probably switch to the upside. But this is my main bias because this exhausted move is pretty clean. One, two, three, four, even this five, six candles to the upside to swap the inner liquidity and then make a break extraction. It's pretty good, right? So we have Friday almost closing the market. I hope nobody taking breaks after 8 p.m. So yeah, man. Uh, let's see what will happen, right? And we can look at it on the next week. Like what actually happened, and that's it. Also, I was looking a little bit on the US dollar index. Can I see it? BXY here. So this is my 4 hour time frame. What I'm seeing right here. Yeah, this is like pretty fucking AMD, right? This is fucking pretty AMD, right? Right, man. Like, let's fucking mark it and let's see. Sorry, something from previous. Ah, right. This is some fucking hella equal highs. So the US dollar can probably fucking do something, right? I hope. So this could be like AMD for the dollar index, right? AMD. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Here we go. Let's do it and let's actually see what will happen in the fucking next week, and we will talk about it. Also, uh, in the end, I want you to look at this. If I can find it, can I? Give me a sec, please. Give me a fucking sec. Yeah, let's if anybody wants to, right? Nobody, nobody have to. Let me just give a minute if it's fit. Yeah, this can be it. Like if you if you if you look at the structure, let's uh let's mark it like this. This is not happening after these candles, right? This is not happening after these candles. Like we are ending here on this. Let's make it right here. It's better, right? So if you look at these 1 minute structure or the model, like I want you to look at it and see the break of structures, right? Because this could be like a little bit chaos for you, and sometimes you think that the structure has been changed and broke, but it never did. It was just like a one move, and this is all not a fucking one move. There's like, let me see if I can see it. We will be taking like this is the structure through downside, right? So this is the current, like you can change it. This is not upside. This is downside, right? We are downside. This is you will probably figure it out. Like this is the upside, right? And I want you to show me where the structure has been broken to the downside and where the structure has been broken to the upside. So as I show you, like as I spoke to right now, uh, suggesting no, this is the upside current move, right? There is like only two more break of structures, and I want you to figure it out. Where is it? Because if you like can't figure it out where it is, you have a big problem, and you don't know what the market structure or how is it looking, right? So if anybody like will have some problem in the future, I can like explain you on this model or something like this. What happened and what was the what was the one fucking move and what was not. Where the structure broken and where did not. So just a little bit lesson. So thank you. Bye.